For many years, Okatie Elementary has had a focus on a garden club, and after COVID, we really wanted to revitalize it and bring it back. It's so important for kids to have the opportunity to get outside, learn about plants, learn about the way the world works, and this was a wonderful opportunity for Ms. Hallex to jump in, and she really took off with the garden club.
We completely redid the garden. Basically everything was rotted wood. We needed to completely rip out the old beds. We needed to level everything. We needed new beds that were safe for the children. So we went with a galvanized steel option. All of that was built by the students. And I knew that the children were very capable, but I'm constantly amazed that what we have put together with a small group of adults and children, just what we have done.
Whoa,
you see the cornfield?
We're growing squash, mammoth, sunflowers, corn, cucumbers, jalapeno peppers, zucchini, and some flowers in the garden.
We're completely organic within our garden. That was really important to Miss Lanice and I, that we weren't using harmful chemicals. So we've really strived to put that in place.
We started as an after-school club, but it has really turned into so many parents and students jumping in and wanting to know how they can help. But to see the excitement and the pure joy on students' faces when they harvest their first cucumber or squash, it really brings the learning to life.
I like it because you get to do a lot of stuff and get dirty, get wet, even pick stuff.
We picked zucchini and squash, and there was this super big cucumber, but we're gonna let it grow a little bigger. I like watering all the plants because sometimes I get wet because it's really hot, and just watching them grow.
My favorite thing to do has probably been just like building the garden beds and taking the wheelbarrows of soil and helping my friends like lay out the soil.
We've put together 12 garden beds. We put together 4 greenhouses. We've started over 100 seeds, so learning about the life cycles of seeds. And then we've also learned about pollination, water conservation, composting, and how composting affects the environment and how we can get waste out of landfills.
I learned that if a squash under a flower is a girl, and if it has a flower, it's just a boy.
The more we started to improve, the more it was just like angels showed up for us. I mean, the more things started to come together, the more success we saw. The kids just absolutely love it, and it really has turned into something so special, and it has just been one of the biggest blessings of my teaching career.
Ms. Hallex had the idea to apply for the Hargrave grant, and we were so lucky to get it because it gave us money to be able to purchase equipment and rakes and tools and seeds and plants that really brought our garden to life. We're so excited to see this next phase of the garden.
My favorite part is the corn and all the fun that we're having.
It's really like peaceful, and we can help the lunchroom on getting food and stuff. I think it's cool because we can get food and harvest stuff at school, so we can just eat fresh food like this squash.
That's gonna be so good. Moving forward in the fall and next year, I'd love to see garden be a year-round club, which I think we have enough interest in. I'd love to see some fall crops next year, so collard greens, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. We'd love to get more into some different types of vegetables. We've learned so many skills this year that really next year we're gonna be unstoppable.